welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I am Isha Farmer. Today we are learning some different activities. There are some cards and numbers. So arrange the numbers and put the numbers. Biggest number. What biggest number? Find out the biggest number. This is 15 is the biggest number. 15. What comes before 15? 40. What comes before 40? 40. This is a backward counting. The biggest number, the smallest number. 15, 40, 30. You must try at home. Very easy activity, and you can learn. So this activity, you can learn backward counting. Very easy. In the next video, today we are learning math activity. Circle the incorrect number. There are some numbers and some numbers are incorrect. Let's read the 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is missing. 15. Circle it. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is missing. Circle it. 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 is missing. It's 27.
Wrong.
26, 28, 26 years. Also wrong. Exchange. 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 37, 40, 37, 30 is wrong, 40 is wrong. Circle it. 39, 40, 41, 42. Oh, this is a 50. Circle it. 43, 44, 45. Done. Let's do the next activity. In this activity, I have to write the after one number. What comes after? There are some numbers. Read the number and write it. 30. What comes after 30? 41. 40. 27. What comes after 27? 28. After 19, 20. 20. What comes after 45? 46. What comes after 63? 64. What come after 72? 73. What come after 19? 91. What come after 99? 100. Let's do the next one. What come after 9? 10. What come after 79? 80. What come after 89? 90. What come after 59? 60. What come after 60? 61. What come after 39? 40. What come after 50? 51. What come after 80? 81. Come after 71? 72. What come after 17? 18. Come after 91? 92. Come after 55? 56. What come after 65? 66. What come after 38? 39. What come after 41? 42. What come after 96? 97. Now it's done. Then what come after? Now let's do the next activity. Now I am doing come what come before there some numbers. The octopus. So write the number. So let's start. Come before 48, 47. What come before 40? 39. What comes before 39? 38. What comes before 68? 67. Come before 80? 79. What comes before 56? 55. What comes before 61? 60. What comes before 93? 92. What comes before 100? 99. What comes before 91? 90. What comes before 77? 76. What comes before 67? 66. What comes before 59? What comes before 88? 87. What comes before 97? 96. What comes before 30? 29. Now done. Hope you understand what comes before. Keep pressing what you hope. Now I am doing what comes after and before. Now let's start. What comes after and before? Read the number 25. 25. What comes before 25? 24. 24 and 26. What comes after 72? 73. What comes after 72? 71. What comes after 86? 87. 25. What come before 31? 30. What come after 30, 31, 32? What come after 97, 98? What come before 98, 97, 96? What come after 60, 61? What come before 69? What come after 40, 41? What comes before 40, 39? What comes before 28? What comes after 29, 30? Now done. Hope you enjoyed this video. The plastic, all this worksheet. What come after, what come before. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe.